Ni hao.
Karon naa nasad ko inamawan. This time ari nasad ko sa Broad Delights located at bang sa Andox Mabulo.
Okay, try bestseller. Delicious. 凶土王年，丰年雅兴，来西南王哦，新千要来丰哦。
Sorry, sir, I don't understand what you're saying. Medium, large, and one letter. What size? Says.
Drinks.
Oh, yes.
Drinks.
We have
delicious.
sizes, sir. Yes.
Before ta mo proceed, ako sang i-announce ang lucky sharer sa previous video. Congratulations to Jeff Harley Flores Uyaw. Salamat sa pag-share sa video. Mo message ko nimo para sa imong premium nga t-shirt. Kamo mga immortal nga nagtanaw ani nga video, naasad mo'y chance mahimong lucky sharer. Make sure to watch till the end lang para makahibaw mo unsaon.
你丰年新定阳呐，凶王年，你好，恭凶来呀，凶啊，恭喜你呢。Drinks.
Yes, sir. We have milk tea, sir.
Milk
tea. Yes. Milk
Good.
tea. Yes, it's good.
新千呀啦，丰隆王呢，出品啊，苏新附近啊 ，Rakuten Good. Philippines.
Or would you like to try our fruit tea, sir? We have also coffee, hot coffee, and cold coffee.
Cold.
Yes, cold and hot.
Drinks.
Drinks.
Food.
Cold drinks.
Yeah, cold. Cold.
Okay.
说新年要丰年呐。
Would you like to try our bestseller, sir?
Yeah, bestseller. Try. Philippines.
Yes, we have Oreo cheesecake original and Oreo overload.
Okay, try bestseller. Delicious.
Yes, sir.
凶土王年，丰年雅兴，来西南王哦。新千要来丰哦。
Sorry, sir, I don't understand what you're saying.
新年那丰哦，新定阳来了，新定阳啊，不定苏新附近那丰岛王。Drinks. No?
Drinks, we have drinks.
Philippines? Okay, try.
Okay.
新千要丰年呀。
What size? We have medium, large, and one letter. There's medium, large, and one letter.
新阳王丰年。
Medium, large, and one letter. What size? Says.
Drinks.
Oh, yes.
Drinks.
We have
delicious.
sizes, sir. Yes. For our drinks, we have sizes. We have medium, large, and one letter.
Good?
Yes.
Try.
Okay.
Try.
You say large size or
Yeah.
large.
Large.
How
山东王的丰
How about the
年。
sugar level, sir? We have less, standard, or full.
那要丰年呢？那什么啊？那不定我妈你也他你也吃呢。我妈你也打你也吃呢。
Standard or
我妈你也打你也吃呢。
just a little bit?
呀，我妈你也打你也吃呢。什样呢？丰年Philippines？ Philippines。什样啊？丰年。
Or would you add a concert? Snacks? We have fries and takoyaki here.
Good?
Yes, sir. We have
Philippines?
French fries. We have
Good?
We have flavored fries and we have also with sauce and toppings.
Takoyaki. Philippines? Takoyaki.
Japanese, sir. Japanese food.
Takoyaki. Okay, try. Good?
Yes.
Good? Delicious?
Yes, sir. Our bestseller, sir, is extra kaniyaki and cheese bomb.
Okay, try. 宣扬了凤呢
For dessert or for
meat?
no?
No.
We have seafood, cheese bomb, 3 types of cheese. We have also baby octopus, sir.
Seafood?
Yes, sir. Seafood. We have
Turtle.
also
You
ham
have
and cheese.
takoyaki turtle?
No, sir.
Turtle.
No, sir.
Shark.
No, sir. Only
Takoyaki.
our seafoods available is baby octopus.
Exotic. Crocodile meat?
No, sir.
No.
Only scallops and cheese, ibiyaki shrimp, teppanyaki crab stick, and octobits octobit tacos.
bestseller
bestseller.
bestseller 新阳呢风龙呢干阳风也新拿 good
Yes, sir.
新斗王年呢新阳王风龙新阳呢 no drink
No, sir, it's alcohol.
this good
For hand.
try drink
No,
no
that's for hand.
forehand try
No, don't try it.
good yeah you know sing Cebu
Excuse me.
Philippine song
Philippine song.
yeah Bahay Kubo Kahimonche Alaman Tuo no you know Philippine song
I know the song.
you sing we sing together okay no try okay 先打嚟呀風攞嚟清點呀 cook he cook you cook you have cook half Philippine half cook you
It's Filipino, sir.
okay I pay
Total is 198.
新阳拿货阴阳拿新年pay
We accept only Philippine money, sir.
cash
Only Philippine money, sir.
kaya ko ay niya aral lang supli kay ko pwede license siya ko mukha ka na po Frank rabi tatay hey ay sukura ka ay butong hilo akong kuha kapya hindi mga hilo ko na na Frank isip ang ano mo joke na tayo prank na to ay gumbos ay suramba kayo ay nagsugo okay gumbos sa gawas alright
Ari na sa tas exciting part, ang pinaakay. Guys, pulos bestsellers akong gipang order diri. French fries, takoyaki, frap ug kaning milk tea. Tanawa lang na diaw, syarog di ka maibog ana. Mga immortal, tara mangaon ta ninyo.
Octobits takoyaki
Goods kay ni ilang takoyaki, lasang octopus gyud ba? Nya akong gipa spicy. Grabe sampaka pre.
cheese bomb takoyaki
Aw kini pinaka-cheesy nga takoyaki. Tanawa ra ko na wag gyud ang anga ba. Tulo ka klase nga cheese ang gibutang. Makasugod lagi kag kaon ani aw di na kaganahan mo undang. Labi na og cheese lover ka. Aw perfect kay ni sa imuha.
ultimate cheesy fries
Di sa ni palupig ilang french fries. Kaya bunuhag daghan kayong cheese. Nya dili siya cheese powder ha. Pure cheese gyud na siya. Tanawa di ba perting abunda ha? Itsura pa lang maibog gyud ka. Samot nagmakatilaw ka. Makaingon gyud kag lamia. Follow upan dayon og frap og milk tea. Aw solido kayo. Busog kay ni. Cheers mga pre.
kauban din ako si Sir ang co-owner or ang head sa operations Sir ito silang i-invite
For those na mahilig o food trip, naarata diri located sa Barangay Mabolo at Bangsa Andox. Ang among gina-offer ang mga takoyaki, nasa mga fries, milk tea coffee, o nasa tayo rice meal. Nasa tayo usa ka branch located in Mandawi. Ayun na mo kabalaka kay kami fully air condition. So tungod sa kainit sa panahon, di jud mo mabalaka na mo dine in sa mua. And for those 4 parents sad na gusto dalon ng ilang mga 4 baby, welcome kayo mo na mo dine in diri sa Broad Delights. O nasa may free wifi kung kinsa to'y gusto mag-study. Sa mga freelancer na nag-home base, pwede rasad mo muan isa mo mag-dine in. We are open 24/7. Ang Mabolo, Cebu City branch, o ang Mandawi, Ibabaw, Estancia branch. Kung kinsa man sad to'y moadto sa north area of Cebu, nasa ni branch dito located in Barangay Damolog along the highway ra. So, kung ganahan mo mohapit dito, naarasad mi dito open hangtod 12 midnight sa gabi.
Para naamoy chance mahimong lucky sharer, react, share in public with the hashtag BrewDelights, screenshot and then i-comment.